Welcome to Lesson 1, Introduction to Databases, where we will cover the meaning, types, and uses of databases. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a database and give examples, identify and explain different types of databases, distinguish a database from a spreadsheet, list real-world uses, and explain the role of a database management system. Consider where JAMB stores millions of candidates' information for UTME. All of that information is stored in a database, a powerful, organized collection of data. Databases power many services we use daily in Nigeria. A database is an organized collection of related data that is easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it as a large, well-organized filing cabinet for computers. Examples include JAMB candidate details, bank accounts, NIN biometric data, and Jumia product listings. The key difference between a spreadsheet and a database is scale and structure. Spreadsheets, like Excel, are good for simple calculations and limited data. Databases, like MS Access, store data in multiple linked tables, handle millions of records, and enforce relationships between data. Key database terms include table, which is a grid of data, record or row, which is a single entry, field or column, which is a data category, and primary key, a unique identifier. DBMS, or Database Management System, is the software used to manage databases. We have different types of databases. Relational databases use linked tables like WAEC results. Flat file databases use a single table. Distributed databases spread data across locations, as used by Zenith Bank. Cloud databases are stored on internet servers, used by services like Paystack. Databases are crucial in Nigeria. They are used in schools for records, in banks for accounts, by the government for registration like NIN and BVN, in hospitals for patient records, and in e-commerce for managing products and orders. For your assignment, design a database table for a mobile phone shop. Include the phone ID as the primary key, along with the brand, model, price, and quantity in stock. Please fill in 5 sample records for our next class. Remember your cybersafety tips. Databases store sensitive personal data like NIN and BVN. Protecting your login credentials is vital to prevent unauthorized access to these important systems.